Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum to all. So this video is actually about the brief description of the aim and objectives of generating this channel. I just want to deliver the abilities and the techniques that I have learned from the Montessori system to the whole world. So this is the best platform for fulfilling my this vision. Montessori system is actually the advanced way of pre-primary teaching with easy and interesting techniques and different activities with the real material. The owner of Montessori World is Maria Montessori. Maria Montessori categorized her techniques and ideas of teaching with real materials into 5 subjects. The number 1 subject is EPL, means exercises of practical life. In this, with the help of these exercises, the confidence of child will be developed, its personality grooming, and he or she can learn about the proper handling of the things or objects of that we use in our daily life, in our daily routine life. EPL exercises is also very helpful in grooming the personalities of our little ones, and they also help them to generate or develop their muscular movement and their fine motor skills in a very better way. So coming to the other subject, that is sensorial. Sensorial means 5 senses. So Maria Montessori designed the different activities with the materials that is really helpful in the sharpening or developing the all 5 senses in very better way. Sensorial activities actually polished all the 5 senses of our child. Okay, now the third one is culture. Culture is actually divided into 2 parts because we all are Muslims and live in an Islamic country. So it's very necessary to give our child the basics of Islam. So culture is divided into 2 parts, that is international culture and other is Islamic culture. In international culture, we taught the child about the surroundings of his or him, and in Islamic culture we gave them basic ideas and basic concepts, basic ethics of Islam. Okay, the fourth subject is language, and the language is very helpful in polishing the abilities of our little ones about the English and Urdu language. It's about their reading skill, it's about their writing skill, it's about their understanding skills. Okay, last but not the least, there is a subject of maths. Maths actually seems to be a very boring subject, but thanks to Maria Montessori that she turns this boring subject into easiest and interesting one. So this is all about the Montessori techniques of teaching techniques, and this is also all about the brief of my channel. The aim of generating this channel is just to facilitate the little ones in this pandemic. So if you have kids under 7 years at your homes, please do subscribe my channel. It will really help you in grooming their personalities and getting new ideas for their studies. Thank you so much for watching.